Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are going to be doing a watch me work video today. These are the products I'm going to be using. These are the rhinestones and charms. And I am going to be going to get back into doing some press-on sets. But these are the tips that I'm going to be using today. Also, I was trying to make a little cute bear that I was trying to, I don't know, kind of little trial and error. So we'll see. We will see how that works. So of course, clean hands, and then after I am going to buff my nails really, and add a layer of primer, and that's really about all I do for my prep. So for this mold, I did make the mold myself, and I did eventually make another bear because I didn't like the way that this one came out. So I was just testing this mold here. And again, I'm using soft gel tips from Model 1s, and they do come already etched. So that is very helpful, so you don't have to go and file all of your nails underneath, so that it can help with adhesion when you apply the gel to your natural nail. It just helps with the bond. So that's totally optional when you are applying these tips. You don't have to do it that way. I like to etch the nails underneath so that it helps with the adhesion. But again, you don't have to do it that way. So recently, this is how I've been enjoying to do my nails. And I hope you really enjoy this video, and I hope that you follow along. And if there's anything that I can help you with, or if you have any tips, tricks, advice, comments, anything like that, please be sure to leave it in the comment section below, and I will be sure to answer back. So let me know what you think about this set. I am only going to be doing one hand on camera, the other hand I'm going to be doing off camera just to save time. Yeah, what on earth? I don't think that I've ever gotten views so quickly like that before. I just posted maybe less than an hour ago a quick short of this set right here, and obviously it took me a little bit longer to edit the full video, which is what I'm doing right now, but by the time I think I edit this video, I'm hoping the short will have close to 1,000 views, which is crazy because I've never I was like speechless, and I thought it was a glitch at first, and I had to like close down the app and open it again and see and make sure that that was what I was seeing, and it was true. It jumped from like 600 to 800 views so quickly, and wow. So what that tells me is that shorts are getting a lot more exposure and attention these days, and I think that that's what's going on. You know, because I have been on YouTube for an extremely long time, and no, I'm not popular. No, I'm not a huge YouTuber. I consider myself a smaller YouTuber, but or content creator, whatever you want to call it. But I don't believe that I've gotten a lot of views on several of my videos, but I don't think I've received views so quickly. So I'm really excited about that, and I thank you guys so much. I appreciate all the love. I really, really do. I'm really just flabbergasted. I can't even believe that. Like, that, wow, that's crazy. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. It's really wild how quickly my little short video was seen by so many people so quickly. I can't even like put that together. You know what I mean? And if that could happen to all of my videos, I would be so happy. So if all of those 800 people just saw that short, I'm hoping 800 of those people are subscribed because that would help me even more. Does that make sense, guys? That'll bring us to hopefully, you know, closer to my goal of where I want to be, so we can have another giveaway and we can just start doing better on my channel. You know, I never really gave up on my channel. I did get, have like a little break. I was going to say a little pause, a little break. And I do have a full-time position. You know, I do work a full-time job, so I can't be recording and on YouTube all day long. So I record when I can. I record on my days off. And it doesn't happen every day or maybe not every week. So I can't even tell you guys, I can't give you a schedule because I can't do that right now. And I hope to someday be like, okay, well, every Sunday I'm going to upload, or every Saturday I'm going to upload, or I'm going to upload every Friday and Saturday, or I'm going to upload every Saturday and Sunday, So I'm hoping to be able to, I don't know, someday, hopefully it'll be like that. Maybe just not right now, but someday, guys, someday we'll have a little schedule. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is buff. So we're just gonna buff all of the nails until you see no more clear. And that'll tell you that you are ready to move on. You don't want to see any clear because gel does not like to stick to the clear. So you want to make sure that you buff enough so you don't see any more of the clear nail. Out of all the tips that I have used, these are the tips that have fit my nail beds the best, I do have to say. So I have been using these a lot, and I do want to find some more soft gel tips. I really do love Beetle's polish so very much. I love these colors. I love this set. Right now I'm trying to figure out what colors I'm going to be using, and I think I'm leaning towards pink. And I think I'm going to be choosing in between these colors right here. At first I thought I wanted to do something exaggerated and kind of just over the top, and then I changed my mind and I wanted to do something a little bit more simple, so that's what we're going to be doing. I love this polish so much, and I think it looks a lot better on top of a color, so I think that's what we're going to do also. As I'm figuring out colors, I'm also trying to figure out design and what I really want to do to my nails. I have already chosen the charms and rhinestones that I wanted to use in this set, and I already showed you that in the beginning of the video. So that's just what I'm trying to think about, and that's how I always do my nails. And sometimes I'll pick out the charms that I'm using beforehand, and sometimes I won't, and it'll just kind of come to me. But I think that it really helps when you plan out your sets sometimes, because it allows you to kind of plan and not have to think so much about what you're going to be doing, and it doesn't kind of stress you out. So not that nails stress me out at all, because that's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying it helps you out just a little bit more when you're planning on doing a set, when you kind of pick out the stones you're going to be using, you pick out the charms, you pick out the colors, and you place everything down around you so that you don't have to be, doing that as you're doing the set. You want to be prepared is what I'm saying. So excuse me, being prepared is always better. Kind of like when you go to a nail salon, one of the first things they ask after they ask kind of like what surfaces you'd like, they ask what color you want. So they're trying to prepare you, and they're trying to prepare themselves. And they themselves might be thinking, okay, as an artist, okay, she chose this color, so while I'm starting to prepare now, setting up my tools and everything, maybe sanitizing, or hopefully that's done before the next client gets there. But, I'm not a pro, by the way, so this is just, all of my own thoughts and opinions. But as a nail tech, if it was me, I would be thinking about what designs already I'm going to be doing on her, or what maybe the shape or something like that. I'm already going to start thinking about what I'm going to be doing on that client. Maybe you could see what they're wearing or outfit, or if they're wearing a certain color. And because sometimes when you go to salon, they just, there are certain clients that just want you to do whatever you want to do as the tech. So sometimes the client will not even have an idea. Maybe they'll come in with a reference picture or have at least a color in mind, but then you still have to figure out design on what you're going to do for them, because they don't really know what they want. So I think that it's a really helpful tip, is to kind of start already planning in your head kind of what designs you're going to be doing, what charms you're going to be using. Are you going to be using rhinestones? What shape are you going to be doing? Things like that. So I think that really helps a lot. And that's what I do when I do my own nails. I really like to kind of prepare myself, or prep myself beforehand, because, that really helps me a lot. I really like these colors together. Like I said, this is going to be more of a simple set. Guys, please let me know what you think of this set. Like I said, I am going to be doing my left hand on camera and my right hand off camera. So I will not be doing both hands on camera, but you will eventually see both hands. And I can't wait to see what you guys think. Like I said, this is going to be more of a simple set. I just wanted some pink on my fingers. I really like how this kind of glitter, kind of reflective polish, I love how it looks on another color, and it kind of changes the light pink as well, which is really beautiful. It gives it kind of like a different personality almost. And for the finale, the final step, we are going to be applying my Model 1's glossy top coat. It is a no wipe, and I love a no wipe top coat. Again, I did use a solid glue gel to adhere my charms. I did not show it because my phone needed to be charged, so I apologize for that. But here they are. I think they came out super cute. Let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.